Oil-based door varnish naturally adds a warm amber tone to wood, which enhances the grain and gives doors a traditional, classic look. It forms a hard protective layer that's resistant to scratches, scuffs, and general wear, making it ideal for doors that get a lot of use. It repels water better than many water-based varnishes, which helps prevent swelling, warping, and rot, especially useful for exterior doors. Many oil-based varnishes contain UV inhibitors, which help protect wood doors from sunlight damage and fading. It takes much longer to dry than water-based varnish, often 6-24 hours per coat, which means more time between applications. Oil-based varnish produces stronger fumes compared to water-based options. Proper ventilation or a respirator is recommended during use. You'll need mineral spirits or paint thinner to clean brushes, rollers, or drips. Water alone won't work. Unlike water-based varnish, oil-based types can darken or yellow as they age, especially in low-light rooms. Because it self-levels and leaves a thicker film per coat, you usually need fewer coats than with water-based varnish. Its durability and weather resistance make it one of the best options for wooden exterior doors, especially if reapplied every few years to maintain protection. Your local Door Renew can reapply it for you. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.